Hi, I'm Jim McFarland with Portland Marine Electronics, sales and service as well as technical coordinator. And today we're going to be talking about batteries and which ones we prefer and in what applications. The Optima battery is one of the batteries that we prefer the most, and of the battery manufacturer types, it is an AGM or absorbed glass mat in manufacture. The absorbed glass mat batteries are sealed, and internally they recirculate all of their gases. So once they are full of fluid at the manufacturer, we shouldn't ever have to put fluid into them again. Should we have a fault condition or the batteries get too much pressure internally, there are spark arresters underneath check valves to let those gases escape so that we don't have a damaging problem. The way these batteries are constructed, they're using pure lead materials because the contents of each cell is under pressure. And because of the material being a pure lead type material, the internal resistance is much lower, which allows the battery to recharge up to 5 times faster than a conventional battery. So if you're dry camping using a generator where you strictly have your boat to recharge, you're going to consume 1/5 the amount of fuel to recharge Optima batteries than you would any other kind of battery on the market. That's why we prefer the Optima, as well as no issues with gassing. Because these batteries are sealed, the gases that are emitted during charging and discharging in a conventional battery are locked in inside this battery. So even after many years of service, your connectors are still going to be nice and clean. Your battery cables and your battery trays are not going to corrode, nor is the housing that encloses those batteries. Conventional lead acid battery, you have to be able to add fluid to those, and because those are open vent type batteries, the gases that are emitted during charging and discharging will attack any of the exposed metal surfaces in the battery compartment and over time cause damage, as well as being an explosive. As that battery is charging, especially under hard charging, a spark introduced near the battery vents can and will cause those batteries literally to explode and blow the tops right off the batteries. The lead acid batteries in deep cycle configuration for something much larger, or you need much more power over time, like a golf cart or a floor scrubber, those batteries need to be mounted with those things in mind so that we don't have those corrosion issues or we don't have the danger of explosion. Those batteries still do have lots of applications out there, but for the boats, especially most of the fishing boats that we use where we don't need a huge amount of power over time, or we need the ability to recharge quickly, the Optima battery has been our choice for several years, and we're very happy with the performance.